happy tunes.
Clap, clap, clap your hands. Let's explore the animal land. In the jungle where the tall trees sway, all the animals come out to play. The lion roars with a golden mane. Roar, he sings again and again. The monkey jumps from tree to tree, laughs and giggles, come chase me. The elephant walks with a steady sound. Boom, boom, boom on the jungle ground. Animals here, animals there, animals jumping everywhere. Big and small, short and tall, animals, we love them all. La la la, la la la, animals all around. In the forest where the rivers flow, the deer runs fast, go, go, go. The tiger sneaks with gentle paws, whispers soft without a pause. The parrot squawks in colors bright, hello, hello, in red and white. The peacock dances round and round, feathers shining on the ground. Animals here, animals there, animals jumping everywhere. Big and small, short and tall, animals, we love them all. La la la, la la la, animals all around. Down the farm where the sun shines bright, the cow says moo from morning light. The sheep says ba, the goat says meh. All these sounds kids love to say. The duck goes quack, the hen goes cluck, the horse runs fast, clippity-cluck. All together they sing along, every animal has a song. Animals here,